Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into a puzzling Kotlin problem. The problem at hand revolves around a scenario where the expected output differs from what we actually get. Quite the head scratcher, isn't it? Now, let's dig into the solution. In Kotlin, a specific behavior is applied when a function's return type is declared as unit. When this happens, Kotlin coerces the result to unit, disregarding the actual return value. This behavior is handy in cases where you only care about the side effects of a function rather than its return value. Continuing on with our exploration of Kotlin's behaviors, let's take a look at how this coercion to unit plays out in the context of JUnit tests. JUnit doesn't run test methods unless their return type is unit, similar to Java's void requirement. This can be quite useful when setting up your test suite to ensure that all test methods are executed as intended. To round things up, we've uncovered a nifty aspect of Kotlin that might just save you some head scratching in the future. Remember, when dealing with functions that return unit or when setting up JUnit tests, Kotlin's coercion to unit can come in handy. Honestly, this insight will make your Kotlin coding adventures a bit smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!